Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of updates on the application of ChatGPT. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list here we click on ChatGPT and we click. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your